How to create an account on Tonkeeper. Hi everyone, this is Rose from Create Login and Delete. And without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, download and install Tonkeeper app on your device. Now tap Open button at top right corner of the screen to access the official welcome screen of Tonkeeper. Now on this section, you have got the two option whether to create new wallet or import existing wallet. So to create an account on Tonkeeper, let's tap Create New Wallet button. Now create a new passcode. Now re-enter the passcode and you will reach on this section to get instant notification. If you wish to get notified when you receive Tone tokens or NFTs, tap Enable Notifications button and tap Allow button. On this section, you have successfully reached where you can easily finish setting up using biometrics to approve transaction. You need to toggle the button on and then you need to enter the passcode. Biometric will appear and you need to set up your biometric. After that, you can easily go to the gear icon and access the settings page, and from here you can easily earn money by using Tonkeeper app on your device. So that is how we create an account on Tonkeeper. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.